Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to edit moody images in Lightroom. So let's open up Lightroom here. Now reset it. Yep. Okay. So this is the raw image. Yep. This is the raw image. Okay. So let's start tweaking this image. Now we need this yellow parts and this yellow parts to be a little brightened, so I'm increasing the temperature. Yeah, and now I'm increasing the tint. It depends on your picture. For this one I think it's good. Now we need to darken this image, obviously a little bit, not too much. Yeah, and now we need to remove vibrance. Obviously these values are not gonna work for every image, but you are going to get a basic idea, and the values are around like this, but obviously depends on the settings of your camera and the light of your image. So let's go to tone curve. Now it's like I'm gonna put this here, yeah, around here. And now okay, this is the work we need to do on tone curves. Okay, we can decrease the highlight a little bit, like this, obviously a little bit, not too much. Now see, the whole work is done on tone curve. Now the most important part, hue, saturation and luminance, the HSL tab. Okay, so we're gonna keep this value a little bit more, like yeah, like this. We're gonna leave the orange here. We're gonna decrease the yellow like somewhere like this. Okay, now we're gonna decrease the greens like this. Okay, aqua is okay, there is an aqua in this image. And now we are gonna decrease the blue like this. Yeah, now we're gonna decrease the purple also, and we're gonna decrease it a little bit more, like around like this. And we're gonna leave the magenta here. Now come to saturation, and now we need to decrease the most of them. See, like we're gonna decrease the green. Now we are gonna decrease the red one. Now we are gonna decrease the red one like this. We're gonna decrease the orange like this. Yellow is okay because we need yellow for the skin and the light source and this lights. And now decrease the green. Obviously the green is the most important part, you can see, so we need to keep it like this. Aqua is okay. Now remove the, let's decrease the blue here like yeah. And now I'm going to leave the purple and magenta here like that, no problem. Now let's come to luminance. Here is the magic going to happen. So see, red, you don't need to work on red for this kind of light situations. Now I need the orange to pop up my model skin from the whole image. So let's increase it. Now see, you can see it's just working on skin and the most highlighted portions. Now let's keep it like around here. Now we don't need the yellow, so we are going to remove it like this. Yeah, now we're gonna remove the green. Actually not removing green, actually removing the luminance of the green color. Now decreasing the aqua luminance like this. Now let's increase the blue luminance like this one. Yep. Now we're gonna decrease the luminance of purple like this. Yeah, and now we're going to remove, and now we are going to decrease the luminance of magenta around here. Yeah, it's looking good for me. We can use the split tone. Okay, don't just use it right now. Now come to detail and let's sharpen this image. We can sharpen this image like around here. Yep. And we need to do some noise reduction from the color, so we are doing something like this. Now just we are going to give a finishing touch in color calibration, so we are going to play with blue primary. So let's just add a final touch like this. Yep. Now you can see we have done with our edit, and this is what it looks like. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and for more videos like this, stay tuned by subscribing my channel. See you in the next one.